So guys, Gemini 3.1 is officially out and it could do some really interesting things, especially when it comes to the world of digital products. And in today's video, what I want to do is show you how I personally use Gemini to help me with one key part of my digital product traffic system, because I'm someone that's consistently building and launching digital products. And one of the many ways that I'm able to drive traffic to my digital products is with meta ads. And there's actually a very unique way that you can use the latest version of Gemini to gain clarity on how to structure your ads, things like Facebook, Instagram, so on and so forth, in the most effective way possible so that you can target the right people and ultimately increase your results. So we're going to jump straight into it. But first and foremost, I just want to quickly show you some of the benchmarks that Gemini is able to reach. So just looking at this chart alone, which was published directly from Google, we can see that Gemini 3.1 Pro has beat many of the other powerful AI tools that are out there. For example, Sonnet 4.6, Opus 4.6, GPT 5.2, all of these different benchmarks, this latest version of Gemini has been able to be a lot more powerful in regards to them. And I'm not saying that you're going to need all of these different features, all of these different specifications, especially when it comes to what we're going to be talking about today. But I just wanted to show you this just so that you have an idea of how powerful Gemini can be. The main thing that I'm going to be using Gemini for today is to show you how you can use it when it comes to giving you a customized plan to help you when it comes to running meta ads. If you're someone that does have a digital product, or even if you don't have a digital product, you're still going to be able to benefit from this specific strategy. And for those of you that might be wondering, but Sam, why would I even consider running meta ads to my digital product in the first place? Well, if we look at this chart over here by this website, which is the largest statistics website in the entire world, we can see that Meta or Facebook and Instagram is the two most popular platforms when it comes to marketers worldwide, specifically when it comes to these social media platforms. So if you're able to understand exactly how to put your digital product in front of the right person when it comes to the user base on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, WhatsApp, any of the meta platforms that are out there, being able to achieve success when scaling your digital product is going to be a lot more achievable. And before I even jump onto Gemini and show you what it's capable of doing, when it comes to assisting you with setting up your first official campaign, I just want to show you something when it comes to finding different people that are running meta ads right now, just so that you get the gist as to how all of this works. So if I just go into this tool over here called Digital Maker AI, I'm going to go over to the left-hand side. I'm going to click on Ad Library. And with this one, we're going to be able to use it when it comes to spying on different meta ads that people are running right now. So you could just type in any type of digital product, whether it's a spreadsheet, digital planner, Notion template, ebook, whatever it is, and it's going to be able to show you people that are running meta ads in any one of these different locations. And the reason why we're doing this in the first place is because if we're able to see the specific ad that someone set up in terms of the campaign, the language they used, whether it's a video, whether it's an image, how they structured it, and if they're successful, it's going to make our job a lot more easier when it comes to using Gemini 3.1 to help us recreate that winning ad. So as an example today, what I'm going to do is just type in a random digital product. Let's go with this one over here. I'm going to type in Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to go with that. I'm going to say that I want it to be on the Facebook and Instagram platform, and I'm going to click on search. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, it's now come back with all of these different active ads that people have set up. And we can also see a preview of all of them. If I just click into this one, it's going to show me the actual creative that they use. So I can get a look at that one. I could take a look at this one, and I could just scroll through and see exactly what people are doing right now. So there's this one that has stood out to me. As we can see, it's a very simple ad. It's an image ad. And when the user comes across it on Facebook and Instagram and they see this shop now button, they're going to be able to click into it. It's going to take the person directly to the product page where they've got all of these different spreadsheets listed. And of course, from this point, you're going to be able to go through things, see exactly what they're doing, see exactly how they've structured their site. And the reason why I used spreadsheets, just so that you guys know, is because if I just go over here, this is a site that I was able to build using Hostinger's AI website builder. I went through the whole process of getting the site built, getting the brand name selected, telling Hostinger exactly what I want the site to look like. And eventually I was able to get this digital product listed as well. And bear in mind that everything I'm showing you is just an example. I'm only giving you this initial groundwork because these are the things that you need to do with your digital product when it comes to finding someone that you can replicate in terms of a winning ad, as well as making sure that you're going to be able to do something similar with the digital product that you're selling. So this is the store that I set up. This is what Hostinger AI website builder was able to do for me. And of course, it's very similar to this one. Of course, they've got many more spreadsheets, but when it comes to making spreadsheets and listing more and more on my site, it's not going to be a difficult thing to do. But we're going to be using this listing as an example throughout the remainder of this video. But now that I've got an idea of which digital product I'm going to send traffic to, and I know that someone else is doing a very similar thing, using an image ad, I'm going to be able to go over to Gemini to start the process. And it's going to start off with me creating an interactive dashboard that's going to lay out everything I need to do in a step-by-step format. One of the many things that holds a lot of people back from even thinking about running paid ads to begin with is that they're not really sure of exactly what to do and how to do it. But with Gemini 3.1 Pro, it kind of solves this problem, especially when it comes to a lot of the advanced capabilities that it has. So to do this, you're going to have to give it a specific prompt in terms of the product that you're selling, in terms of the particular situation that you're in. And the way that you can get that custom prompt is by going back over to Digital Maker AI. And you're going to see this option over here that says start running meta ads. It's going to take you through around 6 different multiple choice questions. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to say that I want to run ads using the Facebook feed and Instagram feed. I'm going to click on next. In terms of the target device, let's go with mobile only. Launch date, we're going to pick a random date. Let's go with this one. Product price, I'm going to say that the price of the product is around $14.99 and then click on next. The type of product, you're going to need to select it. Let's go with spreadsheet, of course, in this case. And if you can't see any of the digital products that you're selling here, you can just click on this one, click on next, and the daily budget. This is the good thing about meta ads as well. You don't need a big budget. You can go as low as $5 per day if you want to, but if you wanted to go higher than that, you could just enter a custom daily amount. But that's all you need to do. Go through those questions and then click on generate prompt. Okay, great. So what it's going to do is that it's going to come back with a detailed prompt that you're going to be able to get by clicking on this. And by the way, guys, if I haven't already mentioned, you're going to be able to sign up to Digital Maker AI for completely free. I'm going to leave all the information for Digital Maker in the description down below so that you can get all of your prompts built. But now that I've got this, I'm going to be able to go back over to Gemini, paste everything in there just like this. And if you're following along, you're going to need to click on tools, click on canvas. Again, make sure that you're on 3.1 Pro, which I am, and then simply click on submit. And what Gemini should do is start coding everything out instantly. So this isn't nothing new. You guys would have already seen this if you've watched my channel before. But the main difference is going to be the accuracy in terms of the information that it's going to come back with. So it shouldn't take too long for it to complete, but as soon as it has, I'm going to be back straight away. Okay, guys, I'm back and here we have it. This is a preview of what it's going to look like. Now, bear in mind, it's going to be completely customized to you. So it might look slightly different. Things are going to be different, of course, even when it comes to the date for when you're launching your digital product on Meta. But what I'm going to do is just click on share. Let's make this full screen. Okay, so here we have it. This is the calendar that Gemini has now come back with. Now, to me, this is really impressive because what it's done is that it's customized it completely in terms of the day that I'm going to launch my campaign. All of this is really helpful if you're a beginner or even if you've been running meta ads for a while. Still really helpful to get all of these different reminders. But yeah, it breaks it down as to what you're going to need to do on specific days. And any day that you don't need to do anything, of course, is going to leave it blank. But I found this to be really helpful with the different meta ads that I've been running over the past week or so, because before I even set up the first campaign, I'm able to go onto it and see exactly how I need to think, the action I need to take, and just everything that needs to be done over the next 30 days. And this is also really helpful because of the left-hand side over here. So if I just click into step-by-step guide, for those of you that might not even have your meta ad account even set up to begin with, it's going to let you know everything you need to do in a step-by-step fashion. So it's going to let you know that you need to create your page, your Meta Business Suite, connect all of your accounts, also verify your account and make sure that you add all of your payment methods as well. And just everything that's going to go into the initial setup stage. So this is something else that's really, really helpful because again, so many people are not sure of exactly how to do things, you know, what type of Facebook ad account do they need, but With this, it's just going to give you the clarity to point you in the right direction. It's also going to give you a customized ads strategy as well. But yeah, this interactive 30-day launch calendar is definitely one of the most interesting ways that Gemini is able to help when it comes to those of you that want to run meta ads. But it's not the only way. Gemini can also help in another way when it comes to the actual creatives as well. And if we just go back over to the ad library on Digital Maker AI and go over to the one that we used as an example, which is this one right here. I'm not going to recreate this exact same image. I'm going to use Gemini to create an image from scratch when it comes to helping me sell this digital product using Meta. So the way that all of this is going to work is going to be with the help of Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana, as you guys already know, is Google's image generation tool. And if you're able to combine Gemini 3.1 in conjunction with Nano Banana to help you when it comes to running paid ads, I believe that this is a hidden superpower that not that many people are aware of. So I'm going to walk you through it right now, show you exactly how it works. Again, using this product on this site that I was able to build using Hostinger's AI website builder. So we're going to first and foremost start off on Digital Maker AI. And what we're going to do now is just go over to the prompt builder. And then down here, we're going to see Nano Banana. So we just need to click into it just like that. And it's going to give us these two different options, whether we want to use Gemini and Nano Banana to help us create organic content, or if we want to use it when it comes to creating paid creatives. So I'm going to click on this because of course that's what we're working on today. I'm going to say that the Instagram ad and the Facebook ad is going to be the main two platforms that we're going to be working with. So I'm going to select that, click on next. The device is going to be mobile only. Next. What type of product or service are you running? So I'm just going to enter the name of the website that I showed you earlier, which is Spreadsheet Experts. And the spreadsheet that I'm selling is for small businesses. It's an Excel spreadsheet to help them track income and expenses. Let's click on next. What is the purpose of this ad? I'm going to go with flash sale. Today, we're going to go with that, but you do have all of these different options. What is your call to action? Let's go with shop now and then click on generate prompt. Okay, perfect. Once again, Digital Maker AI has come back with the full custom prompt that we're going to be able to copy just like this. It's going to give you all of the instructions over here. The next steps is to copy the prompt below. I've done that. Go over to Gemini, select canvas mode, and I'm then going to be able to generate my custom prompt library. So stick with me because what I'm about to show you right now is going to be mind-blowing. So now that I've got this, I'm just going to head back over to Gemini. And just like before, what we're going to do is just paste the entire prompt in there just like this. Click on Tools, click on Canvas, make sure that we're on 3.1 Pro, and then click on Submit. Okay guys, so it's come back with the custom prompt library, but I'm just going to make it full screen just so that we can take a better look. Okay, so this is what Gemini 3.1 Pro was able to come back with. A custom prompt library when it comes to making images for the digital brand that I'm building. And again, guys, I'm not really building a brand called Spreadsheet Experts. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. But as we can see over here, it's come back with all of these different categories, all of these different images that I'm going to be able to make. So you can click into it, click into all of them. You can scroll down and there's going to be a copy prompt button. So of course you can read through it. And the purpose for this is that it's just going to give you ideas when it comes to different creatives that you're going to be able to make for your meta ads. Today I'm only focused on image ads, but of course you can also use Gemini to assist you when it comes to creating video ads as well. And I've got another video coming out about that real soon. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that video. But what I'm going to do now is just read through all of these different prompts, and I'm going to select a random one by clicking on copy prompt. And now that Gemini has given me the prompt for Nano Banana, what you now need to do if you're following along with what I'm doing, just go over to this URL over here called labs.google, and it's going to take you to this page that says Flow. Now Flow is a better way for you to generate images using Nano Banana because it's going to come back with high quality images that you can change the ratio. You could do certain things to it just to make your experience a lot more smoother. So I'm just going to click on create with Flow and show you how all of this works. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like. As you can see, you can either make images or videos. So we're going to be making that image for the meta ad today. I'm going to paste the prompt from Gemini 3.1 in here just like this. And I'm also going to take a screenshot of this spreadsheet from this website just so that Nano Banana knows exactly what we're working with. So I'm just going to take a screenshot just like this. And then I'm just going to drag and drop it in there just like that. And again, with Flow, you're going to be able to change the ratios. You're going to be able to do certain things to it. So because this is for mobile phone, I'm going to select portrait. I'm going to say that I want 4 different creatives at the same time. And of course, I'm going to be using Nano Banana Pro. So we're going to leave it like this and we're going to click on enter. And the good thing about Google AI products is that they don't take too long when it comes to making it. As you can see, we're already on 40%. So I'm going to let it do its thing. It's probably going to take a couple minutes or so, and I'm going to be back as soon as it's done. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's been a minute or so, but here we have it. These are the different images that it was able to come back with. It's been able to put my actual spreadsheet on the laptop. It's been able to structure it in a way where it has the potential to do well on meta ads. So if we take a look at this one over here, let's just make it a little bit bigger. This is the image that I can either edit if I want to by giving it a specific prompt in this box, or if I want to download it, what I can do is click on the download button over here, and I can either download it in 1K quality, 2K, or 4K quality. And for those of you that might be a little bit confused as to what I'm showing you right now, the way that Gemini was able to help with this part of the process was just to give me inspiration as to different ideas. Because when it comes to running various different meta ads, testing out this, testing that out, it may be a little bit difficult when it comes to knowing exactly what to come up with for the different creatives. But right here, Gemini 3.1 was able to give me an abundance of different ideas that I'm going to be able to get over and over again when it comes to going back over to Digital Maker AI and just repeating the process when it comes to generating a brand new prompt. But yeah, guys, those are only 2 of the many ways that I've used the latest model of Gemini to help me when it comes to potentially getting traffic to my digital products. There's so many other ways that are out there, but I didn't want to overwhelm you in today's video. I have many more videos coming out when it comes to how to use Gemini, how to use various different AI tools, generally speaking. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that video. And for those of you that might be completely new to all of this and maybe you don't even have a digital product built yet, don't worry, I can help you out with this because link down below should be the top or second link. What I've done is created a step-by-step guide when it comes to showing you how you can use AI to build a digital product in the quickest way possible, how you can now list that digital product for sale using the best platform for that particular type of digital product in 2026, and also everything you need to do when it comes to setting up your Meta ad account, as well as setting up your first official campaign, and the general strategy that I use when it comes to achieving success with a simple $5 per day budget. It's already helped out hundreds of different people, so I'm sure it can definitely help you out too. So again, link down below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I show you some other ways that you can get traffic to your digital products where you don't necessarily have to pay for it. You're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this because that video has also helped out so many people. I get DMs and comments about it all the time. And I'm sure if you're able to watch that from the start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.